For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Being a DoorDash driver involves frequent time on the road, which can increase car insurance rates due to higher risk. However, artificial intelligence, AI, can significantly streamline the process of finding cheap car insurance by helping you compare rates, understand policies, analyze driving habits, and more. Below is a comprehensive 1,000-word step-by-step guide to getting cheap car insurance for DoorDash drivers using AI tools and platforms. Step 1. Understand the type of coverage you need. Before looking for car insurance, know the kind of coverage you need as a DoorDash driver. Most personal auto policies do not cover accidents during delivery unless you have rideshare or commercial coverage. Personal auto insurance covers you when using your vehicle for personal use only. Rideshare/delivery endorsement. This add-on to personal policies bridges the gap between personal and delivery use. Commercial auto insurance provides full coverage for delivery drivers, often required if you deliver full-time. Step 2. Use AI-powered insurance comparison tools. AI comparison sites can analyze your profile and instantly suggest the cheapest and best matching policies. Use AI-based platforms like Jerry, Zebra, Gabby, or Compare.com. These tools collect your driving data, location, vehicle type, and delivery usage, then match you with policies from major insurers. You'll see quotes from companies like Geico, Progressive, Allstate, and State Farm, side by side, optimized by algorithms to match your needs. Step 3. Tell the AI tools you're a delivery driver. Be transparent in the form where it asks about car usage. Select options like rideshare or delivery driving, estimated mileage per week, a business usage of car. Some AI tools allow real-time customization of these variables. This ensures you get a quote that truly reflects your DoorDash driving rather than your personal use only. Step 4. Compare companies offering rideshare or delivery coverage. Certain insurance companies are more friendly to DoorDash and other gig economy drivers. Let AI highlight them for you. Geico offers rideshare insurance as a low-cost add-on. State Farm includes delivery coverage under its rideshare add-on. Progressive offers flexible commercial auto and rideshare options. Allstate, their DriveWise AI app may lower your rate based on good driving. AI systems on comparison platforms will recommend these options based on your job description and usage pattern. Step 5. Use telematics and AI-driven driving apps to save more. Telematics is where AI meets real-time data. Insurers reward drivers for safe driving with lower rates. Here's how to take advantage of it. Install AI-powered driving apps like Route, Metromile, Allstate DriveWise, or Progressive Snapshot. These apps track speed, braking, acceleration, and cornering habits to score your driving. The safer you drive while dashing, the more discounts you'll unlock. Some apps give instant feedback to help you improve and qualify for better insurance rates over time. Step 6. Use AI to forecast your driving costs. AI apps like Zego and Gridwise help gig drivers track their income, miles, and expenses. Track your exact work mileage to decide between commercial and rideshare insurance. Analyze your delivery patterns to find ideal insurance tiers, e.g., part-time versus full-time. This data can be fed into insurance quote tools to refine the best value options. Step 7. Let chatbots and virtual agents handle negotiation. Many insurance companies now offer AI-driven chatbots to negotiate or customize policies. Use chat features on sites like Lemonade or Geico to ask about specific DoorDash discounts. AI virtual agents can instantly change coverage limits, test deductibles, and apply coupons. Save time by letting bots compare hundreds of permutations of coverage levels and premiums. Step 8. Optimize your policy with AI-based customization. Once you've shortlisted a few insurers, use AI customization features to optimize your premium. Raise deductibles with caution to lower monthly premiums. Drop unnecessary coverage, e.g., rental car reimbursement, if you have alternatives. Choose usage-based plans if you deliver only part-time or seasonally. Use policy bundling suggestions AI tools often recommend bundling auto plus renters/home for discounts. Step 9. Use AI for continuous rate monitoring. Prices change frequently. AI-based monitoring tools continue to scan for better deals even after you've chosen a policy. Use apps like Jerry, Gabby, or Savvy to automatically rescan insurance options every month or quarter. Get notified when another company offers you a better rate, allowing you to switch with minimal friction. Step 10. Build a digital driving profile for future savings. AI works best with data. Create a comprehensive digital profile to improve long-term savings. Record your driving record, mileage, routes, delivery hours, and vehicle type in platforms like Gridwise, Everlance, or MileIQ. Export this data into quote platforms or show it to agents for proof of safe delivery driving. This may help you negotiate custom coverage or use AI-enhanced underwriting processes for better quotes. Bonus tips. Ask AI chatbots or tools about discounts like good driver, low mileage, vehicle safety features, paid in full premium. Use your AI-enhanced digital assistant, like ChatGPT, to draft emails or chat prompts when negotiating better quotes. If you lease or finance your vehicle, make sure AI tools account for lender-required coverage types. Conclusion. Using AI to get cheap car insurance as a DoorDash driver can save you hundreds of dollars annually while giving you coverage that fits your unique needs. From comparing rates to customizing your policy and tracking your driving, AI automates and enhances every step of the process. Whether you deliver part-time or full-time, tapping into AI tools will help you make smarter, faster, and cheaper insurance decisions. By following this step-by-step guide, you can confidently navigate the world of car insurance with the help of intelligent tools, leaving you more time and money to focus on what you do best, delivering and earning. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.